Hi friends, welcome to IMO Videos, Standard 7th, video number 90, Perimeter and Area, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. State true or false. It has 5 to 6 subparts. Let's see each. A sari 5.5 meter long and 1.25 meter wide has a zari border of 2.5 centimeter broad along with its length on either side. Along with the width on one edge, the border was 5 centimeter wide, and on the other edge of the width, the zari was 25 centimeter wide. The area of the zari is 5855 square centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of this zari total. See, sari 5.5 and 1.25. Along the length 2.5 centimeter each. Along the width on one side 5 centimeter, other side 25 centimeter. So what you have to do is find the area of this bigger rectangle, then the area of this smaller rectangle, and subtract it. That's the only solution required. See, two rectangles, now big one. Big one length is what? Length is 5.5 plus 0.25 plus 5.5 plus this 25 centimeter in meters. So 0.25 plus this 5 centimeter in meters. So 0.05 meters. Here 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So go on dividing. So now you get length as 5.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.05, that is 5.8 meter as a bigger length. Now bigger breadth 1.25 as a width and 2.5 centimeter means 0.025 on this side, 0.025 on this side. So add them, you will get 1.3 meters as a width of this. Now area, L into B, 5.8 into 1.3, you get 7.54 square meters. This full big area. Now you want a smaller one. Smaller is easier. 5.5 into 1.25, okay, 6.875 square meters. Now the difference, 7.54 minus 6.875 equals to 0.665 square meters. Now this is in square meters and the answer given to us is in square centimeters. So meters, square meter to square centimeter. Multiply by 10,000 means 100 on both sides. 100 into 100 because square. So it is 6650 square centimeter. But the answer given to us is 5855. So the answer is false. Moon is around 3,84,000 kilometers from the earth and its path around the earth is almost circular. The length of the path described by the moon in one revolution is 24,11,520 kilometers. Pi equals to 3.14. It's quite simple. This is the moon. It is 384 and you have to find the circumference. So 2 into 3.14 into r. So multiply this, you will get the same answer, 24,11,520. So answer is true. If 1 meter square equals to x mm square, then x equals to 1 and 5 zeros, 1 lakhs. So answer is false because 1 meter equals to 1000 mm. So 1 meter into 1 meter means 1000 into 1000. It should be 6 zeros, not 5 zeros. 500 meter square equals to 5 hectares. That is false because 1 hectare equals to 10,000 square meters. So 5 hectares will be equal to 50,000 square meters. So this answer is false. Ratio of circumference to the radius is 2 pi is to 1. That is true. Why? See here, circumference means upon radius. Circumference is 2 pi r upon r. R gets cancelled. 2 pi upon 1. That is the answer. So true. Length of the ribbon to cover the edges of a semicircular disc of radius 10 centimeter is 51.4 centimeter. See here, edges means what? This full circumference of semicircle, not full circle, plus this radius 2 times. Okay, so c by 2 plus r, that is what is required. So find c by 2 first. What is c? C is 2 pi r. So c by 2 is 2 upon 2 into 2 upon 2 into pi r. So it is 31.4. R plus r is 20. So length equals to 31.4 plus 20, 51.4. That is what is given. So true. Important catch is this c by 2. See here, c equals to 2 pi r. So c by 2 will be upon 2. So 2 gets cancelled and this you can take it as 3.14. So 3.14 into 10 it becomes 31.4. This is the bigger catch in this. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Follow us on Facebook on this link, WhatsApp us on this number for any query for purchase.